So person asked me, he said, this sewing machine, how do I get its place? So I don't know where you dey live, my lady. So na Spain na me dey stay. And this sewing machine, na one supermarket wey dey call Carrefour. Na only people wey dey live for Spain na go know. I don't know whether that Carrefour this another place like Germany, Holland, France. I don't know. But na Spain na me dey stay. So if you dey live for Spain, you must know Carrefour. So you go look for am. This sewing machine, so e dey very nice and strong. I don dey use this sewing machine for almost 5 years, close to 5 years, or maybe we don pass 5 years. Now that's a lockdown period 2020 now for buying. So I dey use am every day. I never even stay 1 month say I no enter this machine. So since then, never spoil one day. So if you dey live for Spain, I go recommend this sewing machine for you. Make you go buy am. E dey very strong. So I don't know whether this marker dey another shop. I don't know, but this marker so na Carrefour for buying. So if you dey live for Spain, go Carrefour, go and check it. You go get am. You go see am there. Okay. I hope I don't answer your message. All right, my lady. Thank you. Bye.